Hello, Danny Burks here with the Burks team at RE/MAX Professionals, and welcome to TylerHouseHunters.tv. Well, it's been just a few months ago we brought you out to this house, and it doesn't look anything like it did just a few months ago. We talked about the art of flipping and what goes into flipping a house and make it a successful resale. This house that was built around 1980 in South Tyler was a complete remodel, even more of a remodel than we even thought when we first started. We ran into a few issues that we didn't anticipate. This home, the total remodel cost on this home ended up being about $135,000. And because that wasn't our original budget, but that's something you need to understand when you go into flipping or go into property renovation, that you're going to have unforeseen circumstances. For instance, a big one on this house was we thought the roof was good. The roof inspection was fine. It looked good. After we got into it, we found that there was a lot of rotten decking, some issues with bracing, and so we looked at repairing it. It ended up having to be totally replaced, and we spent over $7,000 for a new roof that we didn't anticipate. Other issues we ran into, reinforcing some structural issues and things like that. But this is a complete remodel. It involves almost down to the studs throughout the entire home. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home, about 2,300 square feet. It was put back on the market for $259,000, and now it is under contract, scheduled to close here in the next couple of weeks. But we wanted to give you another tour of this home. We're going to have some tour of the inside here that you'll be able to see. Also, in the body below here, you'll find a link where you can go see a 3D virtual tour of this property and additional photos to see a complete renovation. We're pretty proud of our work here. Honestly, we didn't make as much money on this flip as we thought we were going to. And sometimes that happens. You have to go into this business. If you're going to do this business, you have to go into it with your eyes open and understand sometimes there'll be unforeseen things. We're not going to lose money, but we're also not going to make a lot of money either. So you have to always understand that. We did a flip a few months ago that we did much better on. So if you would like more information about investing in real estate or flipping, we would be glad to sit down with you and give you our more than 35 years experience for free. We'll sit down and give you a consultation. It doesn't cost anything. There's no obligation. If you're just in the early stages of wanting to learn more about flipping or more about buying and holding investment property, we will be glad to sit down with you at your leisure. Set an appointment. You can call our office at 903-561-2600. That's 561-2600, or go to TylerHouseHunters.tv or TylerHouseHunters.com, or you can go to LongviewHouseHunters.com and find out more information about that. You can also email me directly. That's Danny@TylerHouseHunters.com. Well, there's a link below where you can search for homes. There's a link below where you can get a home value on your home if you're thinking about selling. And until next time, we'll see you next time on TylerHouseHunters.tv.